Hello, guys. 1 2 1 2. Hello, everybody. Hello, guys. 1 2 1 2. Hello, everybody. 1 second. I need to connect my headset. There we go. Sorry. I had the wrong output selected. Okay. Good morning, guys. A new session of scalping. Monday range. Hello, Filipina. Hey, Carol. Hello, guys. Let's see what we can find here. Especially Bitcoin, we can see we had we we had some massive fuse yesterday. Hey Shogun, hello man. In the New York session, I tried to short here. I was burned once, but I managed to take a short exactly from this top. So as soon as the price started to break down below this SFU level, was a clear deviation for me. And 1 second, there we go. And as soon as we closed this candle, I managed to short 5 minutes. It was actually, sorry, there you go. Yeah, this candle, and I shorted here. And I said yesterday that what else? Sorry. Okay. I was mentioning yesterday that I'm looking for a short, and I will try to short Bitcoin because the risk to reward ratio is very, very, very high. And as we can see, the risk reward ratio, it was really good. Okay, Carol. Okay. So I was up on risking 1 or 2 trades for a 5 risk to reward. I took partial here at standard deviation 2.5. You guys know that using my SS setup now, I'm not taking profits at the SFU of the low as the setup implies, but I'm taking profits based on a different system that I tested a lot, and it's working really, really good. I always take profits on standard deviation points, and we can see it hit 5 risk to reward. So I took a loss. Even if you take 2 losses, yeah, even if you take 2 losses, you have a 3 risk to reward profit. So in the end, it was a good trade. Okay, let's look at the traditional market. Maybe we can find some Monday range setups. Gold is going down. Okay, ES is still in the Monday range. So we can have some alarms here. So we already have one. No, I'm not taking DAX. I don't like DAX. And Euro seems like it wants to hold. GBP the same, and US oil. US oil, it's quite intriguing, this one. We have a clear SFU here, even of the previous week. So this is the previous week. In my Keyman Spaceman levels, I need to close this one. So we can see that it swept the previous week low on US oil, and this is a pretty strong sign. Let's go 5 minutes. Okay, sorry, there we go. Nice W, 15, nice W. So it reclaimed. We have a fair value gap created above our reclaim level. So this would be a long. This would be the first long that I will try. You guys know that each Tuesday I'm trying 3 setups, and I'm targeting Monday high. This is the Monday high. So we have a clear setup here. Monday low, previous week low, it's reclaimed. You can see at this point here. Let's put it at 32. Not to be the greedy goblin. And okay. And I said that we should look at go on daily. I think this one has a lot more room to go up, in my opinion. Let's see low time frame on euro. Plenty of bullish divergence. Monday low, not yet reclaimed actually. We can see, yeah, it's taking it as resistance for the moment. So we either want a reclaim or a rejection. Hey Rocco, hello. But US soil is pretty nice, and we have a trade. Seems like, yeah. So US soil, guys. Hey Christian, this is a pretty good setup. It's looking very good. I like it. Wants to take it. Is there. Euro, not yet reclaimed. We see it takes it at as resistance for the moment. And I was looking at ES, Monday low. Yeah, ES is in the Monday low range, in the Monday range, sorry. We can see no SFU, still inside the range, so nothing to do here. Only this one for the moment. And maybe Euro, if it manages to reclaim back above Monday high with strength. So I want to see a fair value gap. I want to see a displacement of the previous day low. This is very important. Whenever you want to see bullish price action, you want to see that displacement. It doesn't matter the time frame. It can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 day, whatever. You know, I don't like the W's where they just break it with a little wick. You want big candle bodies to see the volume. Okay. Yeah. US soil, Rocco. Basically, it's a sweep of the previous week low. We can see it here, and the reclaim with a fair value gap. You can see we have a strong fair value gap once it reclaimed. You can see it on 1 hour. So the candle body is full. It means there's a lot of buying pressure in that area. And it means that buyers have managed to reclaim the level of that previous day, week low. Actually, here it's a deviation. And we can see the trade is on. It's a deviation on the previous week low, and I'm targeting Monday high. This is a classic Monday range or a previous week low. The Monday range setup can be played on a weekly level in the same manner. For example, if you have a previous week low or a previous week high, you can do the same thing that I'm doing on a Monday range. Point out the weekly high and the weekly low and wait for the price to sweep that low or deviate that low, and then you can trigger, and then you wait for a strong candle body closing above or below, depending on what you want to look at. And we see that Euro is trying to reclaim here, but it's rejecting Monday low. So we want to see a strong reclaim, maybe something like this, and then I would look forward to get into this trade. For the moment, nothing. Well, how I usually frame this due to the fact that it's a trade that I usually take at a weekly basis. You can either risk 0.5% maximum per trade, because I'm aiming to take 3 trades and you don't want to break your account if all 3 of them are going into the stop loss. Yeah, so 0.5 each trade, focusing on 3 trades, and then see if we can find more. I scanned the altcoins. Daily level on total trade, this can look like a inverse head and shoulder, though I don't see strength here. So I want to see something like this. You can see this candle which displaced the previous range, and we managed to create a bullish market structure shift. But I don't know. I see no strength for the moment. You can see bullish candles are in the same manner and the same length with the bearish candle. So not too many things that we can do on total tree. We can follow up the strongest altcoins, but for the moment, if I'm looking at Bitcoin, we see for this is one of the reasons why I shorted here at the top. Because we are at the top of this ascending channel, we were in the short reload zone from this top here, exactly in the golden pocket. Plenty of divergences, and the risk to reward was really good. Yeah, the risk to reward was really good, and it worked. And my final take profit is this Monday open. I didn't took all the profits. Stop loss is at break even, and I will final take profit here. Lots of liquidity, and we can see the lows of the channel. So I think the price can bounce from this area for a quick scalp. But if I'm going on daily, you can see, let's hide everything. You can see that price didn't manage to break this range. So we are still in a range. We didn't close any candle body above this high, above 28,000. So you can see 28,000 is a psychological level here. Buyers, they are not able to push the price higher for the moment. Yeah, it can push it later on, but for the moment they don't manage to close a candle body high. And you can see if we want to play Monday range on Bitcoin, yeah, we should look for a sweep of this low here. So I'm short from this one. Let's make it like this. And why I would take a scalp here on Monday low, on previous day low, Monday low, because basically here we have a short setup. We have an SS setup. Yeah, we swept. We had the distribution wyckoff on a low time frame. You see strong displacement to the downside, lots of selling pressure. Yeah. Um, and by the way, guys, don't eat that October or how they call it. Just trade setups. Have no bias. That's the most important thing. Have no bias. Trade your setups all the time. When you have the setup, just trade it. That's your edge over the market. Your edge over the market is not someone telling us or saying anything. Okay, it's your analysis and how you view the market. So we should revisit this area here. Or if the price doesn't want to, we can go straight to 26,000 and sweep this liquidity here. But right now, if we want to play a Monday range on Bitcoin, yeah, we can see a little bear flag here, price action. This is not bullish. And what we'll do something like this, then maybe something like this, and then reject. So this is the market structure that I can see, and that would make sense with the information that we got for the moment. Okay, and also we can see, let's put 61.8. Yeah, we can see that Monday open and sweep of these lows, it's exactly at golden pocket at 61.8. So that's an area where to look for a long. these are my scenarios. If we go straight here, I will look for a long in this area at the bottom of the range, sweep off all the liquidity, and 1 second. There you go. You can see we have really nice volume here. This is the poke, and here we have really nice volume in the long reload zone, maybe even shark or sweet spot. But for the moment, we are here. First area of support is the previous Monday low. Previous day low, Monday low here. And then first area of resistance is weekly open here, 28,000. So I think the price will try to reclaim this area, reject and then go lower, or straight go lower and then up. This is my plan. And I will execute a short from here or a long from here if I get a chance. Okay. Euro is trying to reclaim here. We need a 5 minutes. I'm okay with this, but we need to wait 5 minutes. If this one is closing, he is closing to the upside. We can take a long. Let's see where is the Monday high. Oh, wow. Okay, the risk to reward is really nice. Really, really nice risk to reward ratio. But we need to wait 5 or 15 minutes in order to take this one for the moment. So we have US oil. I have the plan made for Euro, Bitcoin. You guys now know the plan and what I will be looking for. I'm looking for a short on Wu. A really clean setup here. SFU the highs, market structure shifts on 1 hour. I'm waiting for a retest at the SFU of this area and the previous high here and the fair value gap. Maybe something like this. Yeah, 3 risk to reward, 2.5, something like that. And algo, same stuff here. We can see nice respected descending channel here, 1.2 points, and then again middle of the channel, really well respected. But it has to pump from here, so it has to go here. And I was looking at one more. Okay, Woo, algo, Bitcoin. I have a plan made on Peer. I really love this coin. Not that I love it necessarily, but it's looking very, very good. This accumulation, it reminds me of Link, if you guys know. Link did exactly the same stuff, created lots of liquidity to the in this range, lots of consolidation, lots of equal highs and equal lows, and then they swept all the equal lows. They took all the orders and then they pumped. Yeah. So I think Peer will do exactly the same stuff. Sweep all the lows, so have your orders. I have my orders here. I will spot buy 2%. I'm not going higher than this. You can go 3%, let's say, because it's spot trading. And then I will try to focus on sell half on a double in this area. This is my plan. But don't get too enthusiastic. Everything can fail. Yeah, so every setup can fail. Yeah, this one it's a little bit harder to fail because basically you will keep it spot, and if you want you can keep it for the next bull market. But what I'll be focused on is just be able to take an order and sell half on a double so I can have free coins. How I define my levels? Using trend based fib You can see it here. Trend-based Fibonacci extension on the waves that market created. You go on a lower time frame, 4 hours, 12 hours, 1 day, and then you look for the levels. For example, let's say if you want to see where the next stop is here, you can see this one, 161.8. I think here we have a 1.4. We have the 1.414. Yeah, there you go. We have this trend-based fib. Seems like Euro doesn't want to reclaim. And US oil is retesting the previous week low here. Risk management and consistency. This is what it's making a trader profitable. Rainbow fib. Hey, Otto. Yeah. It's the basic one because I have a template. I have a template for dark. Ah, there you go. So this is my my fib. I I saw I had the basic one there. Yeah, yeah, no, thank you. Let's see Ethereum. Ethereum, okay. So Ethereum, we can see it's in this descending channel. We didn't hit 61.8 of the big way of this low. Yeah, I'm not counting this one. So we didn't even touch this one. Definitely we touched the 61.8, the long reload zone from this low, but I'm not taking this into account. In my opinion, this was just an intermediate level, and the pump you can see. So we had a down slope here, and this is the point from which the impulsive movement started. Okay. So for me, it's very important for the 61.8 to be retested, and we just front run it. Okay. That's why you can see really nice SFU rejection, really nice reversal on daily, looking like a key reversal here, and I still see this level to be retested. Whenever I see a front run, I don't trust that pump. Yeah, I don't trust that pump. You don't want to trust front run pumps or dumps. Yeah, we can pump one more time here in the 61.8. So we can definitely, what we can do here, exactly as I like to point them out, I have um, two plans. Let's put let's see where the POC is. So we are right at the POC. Wow, okay. Yeah, we are at the POC. And we can see, I need more information, 1 second. You can see this area has lots of volume too. So if we zoom in now, okay, okay. If we take this as a deviation, so price can easily retest this area, sweep all the liquidity, and then dump into 1.4K level. This here I would definitely look for a short in this area. Definitely. Sweep of the highs, short reload zone, bearish market structure shift. So here we have a break of structure actually, not a bearish market structure shift, because we did that in this point. This is the point where we created a market structure shift. This was the retest and the dump. So this would be a continuation pattern here. Yeah, thank you, Otto. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys, and share if you enjoyed. Bring your grandma, your grandpa, your cat. Bring them here. I need to keep myself hydrated. One second. Hit me up with questions, guys. Bitcoins. I have my plan made and what I'll be looking for. Let's see. Monday high, Monday low. Ethereum is at candle body low from the Monday candle. Euro doesn't want to reclaim Monday low. GBP doesn't want to. Yes, it's at daily open. Usually daily open is a strong rejection area. Yeah, I mentioned this range here. So that it's not able to break this range. Exactly. Yeah. So this is what Paul encourages you guys. Stop listening to biases and stuff like that. Just trade what you see on the chart. I don't see a pumped over here, just due to the fact that let's say Sunday, October, we have a 55% candle, okay? That's not 5% up and 5% down, yeah? There is nothing like that for the moment. It has a trompeta. Yeah, yeah, highly probable, Otto. Highly probable. Then I'll take a, yeah, there you go. Quite accurate. Oil loves to do this, so it's looking for liquidity. This is the way of gold to look for liquidity. The way of the oil, yeah. Yeah, Otto. Though we have a range here, Otto. We have a previous week low sweep, and then they tried, you can see candle body high, reclaimed Monday low. So I see some strength here, but uh, I don't know. I was playing when I was really 8 years ago or something like that. And the games I think were way more different back then than they are now. Let's see. Filipina said. Let's look at what Filipina mentioned. Exactly. Trading is the best game. I think that's why I'm not. So I can see anything like this, Filipina. Please, maybe I'm wrong, but I can see any DRNT. Maybe Dent or Dev or I don't know. Ah, okay. 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 I think I need more chart. Wait 1 second. Bybit. Yeah, I think. Oh, okay. There you go. There you go. So KuCoin, I think it has the most, or BitGet. Yeah, BitGet. Let's say that. If we take BitGet, we see we are at the price where everything started, almost. We're at the candle body lows on the weekly level, and we see really nice buying volume on this candle. Yeah, so buying pressure. Let's go lower. Definitely, we can easily see, or from this point, or this one, we can see a trend line resistance. This one was broken. Let's scope it out, take it out. And this one is broken. Okay. SFU of this low. If I'm looking on a 2 day, 2 days, yeah, this is confirmed. You can see candle body closed. This is the candle that confirmed. This one, I didn't like it. So if I would have been here, I would say no, don't buy this, because there is no buying volume. You want to see a candle body closing above your neckline, okay? And this can easily be a fake out deviation. While you can see here, fair value gap. This one, what do you want to see? This is a fair value gap. So yeah, definitely, you can long this W. Location, we confirm that it's really good. What I did here, what I would do, I would buy spot. I don't know if I would go on. It depends on how you like to play it. Depends on how you like to play it. But I'm not trading daily that much. Let's close this one. Yeah. So if you want to play it with the little old lady, what would be more indicated and how Paul would play it? Wait for a 4-hour W. Yeah, the other side of the trend line. So right now, wait for a 4-hour or 12-hour W. If you see the same structure like you see here, you see it around here, okay, then execute, okay? For the moment, we have a correction from this AB equals CD from this wave, really clear one. Yeah, nice W. You can buy the neckline, but if you want to be a trader, then you wait for a W to form. You wait for this wave to correct. You wait for the correction. Yeah. And then you execute a long. This is what I would do on a trading level. Or yeah, or you can do that. Yeah. Or you can play Mountain Man. But I would wait for the price action to retrace here into the POC. I would wait to retrace into the POC area and then wait for a nice structure on 1 hour or 4 hours, stuff like that. Yeah, exactly. Or play DSS. Because we have a market structure shift confirmed on this one. You can see market structure shift confirmed here. So what price would need to do if we take this one? Okay, there we go. You can see that 61.8. It's exactly at the POC. So I like this one. I like this. So you can play it like this. Yeah. So it's not a W setup, because if you would play this W, you would put your stop loss here. It's a little bit different, okay? And you can see Wyckoff check here would be a 2 risk to reward, I think. Yeah, of this resistance area. You can see clearly it's resistance. remember, guys, that Paul was mentioning, and in the daily video, watch that one each day if you want to trade, if you don't have a clear plan. But if I would be you, I would add that into my plan. If I'm a day trader, so I want to day trade even on 1 hour. We saw that Bitcoin dominance was at a really critical point. For who didn't watch the video, yeah, Bitcoin dominance was at the 50 level. Usually 50 level, it's a fuckery, so it's really hard to you want to get in and get out, especially on the altcoins. You want to get in and quickly get out. We have a W here, and we see that the price didn't quite retested this M here. So what I'm thinking that is that yeah, we'll get a retest of 51%, and then I don't know, we can even go higher. We can even go higher because we see if I'm taking this one. Yeah, that one would be a little bit too big, but I see this one respected. I see the 50% line really well respected of this channel, and we can see it has room to go. Yeah, we have some potential bearish divergences, but we are playing this range for the moment. Yeah, you don't want to look at 60 or listen to blabbing on the weekly level if you are a trader. Yeah, watching this area, yeah, I think it will go here, SFU of this high, retest the breaker block here created on M, and then maybe retrace back into equilibrium, into this area of support, which I said it's support, and then maybe go here. This is the next support area. But for the moment, we see it's grinding to the upside. Yeah. And total 3, it's we have, I mentioned that we have daily inverse head and shoulder, but it didn't fire yet. Or it fired here if you want to take this neckline. But I don't know, it's ugly. If you want to take it like this, or you want to take this high, but it's a range. You can see range high, range low. And volatility is really low on this one for the moment. And 1 second, please. There was one more. There you go. There was one more alt which I was looking at. And I think we already have the setup on this one. Let's see. For who wants to take it. Okay, net shorts. Let's see the net shorts. This one, guys. If you want to take it, up to you. Really nice, very structure. Come on. Well, we are at near the entry. Let's see the open interest. Yeah, it's raising. It's raising up on this one. It's a little bit strong on open interest, but it's a setup. So we have a clear SS setup on 30 minutes. You can see it broke the low, which created a new high here. So this is the intermediate lower time frame. Yeah. And also we deviated underneath this low, this high here. So this is a very, very important thing at this point. They didn't manage to hold, hold the level. There you go, guys. You have the daily plan. Posted in the description. It's free for everybody. So this is nuts. It's absolutely free for everybody. Just have to join the Discord and look at it. AVAX. Okay. Okay. Let me check the daily overview first on AVAX. Oh, really nice. So we had an equal low here. Man, I like AVAX a lot, but I don't know. I see this area retested $5, or at least a GAN level between 5 and this level which created the new bull market. You can see this is the low which created a new high. So a lot of orders were trapped here, to put it like that. A lot of institutions bought here, and you can see we came back exactly at the level from which the pump started, the bull market started. 1 second. 9, no, what's this? 7.2. Yeah, 7.2 would be a good level on macro. So we are looking on a day level. Let's zoom in a little bit to see what we have on a trading level. I don't like it. I don't like it. I mean, I like it for my investment, but we see that we tapped exactly 61.8 from the trend-based fib of the next wave. So whenever you want, you take the previous wave. This is an ABC wave, and you can see we tagged exactly 61.8. Yeah, we bounced from it. The next level is 78.6. I like this area because I said, okay, this yellow line is the GAN between the low, yeah, the 2016, I think, yeah, 2021 actually, and the pump. So I'm not going here, no. Maybe 88.6. Yeah, this area. I will accumulate definitely. So I'll buy. I'll put right now 3 orders here. This is the area to buy, in my opinion, AVAX. Below this low. So macro level, yeah, we came into my area of interest, to put it like that. Trading level. Trading level. We have some confirmed OBV, some confirmed RSI. We have something. We have a accumulation Y-cuff here. We have a clear accumulation Y-cuff here. Even if we take this high, we have a bullish market structure shift. You know me, how I always point out to the previous lows. This is an important S&R, and this area is really important. Okay. We have golden pocket exactly here. We have this breaker block. We have a fair value gap here at an SFU. You can see fair value gap in the SFU breaker and golden pocket. Now let's get the noise out. And now it depends on your risk appetite. Let's put a standard deviation. Let's put a more There you go. I'm going to use this one. And you see it's exactly at the SFU of this point. Near the SFU of this point. I absolutely love standard deviation for take profits. So here you can play it in two ways. You either want to be a greedy goblin and possibly take two stop losses if everything is going to hell, so the price is dropping, or you can play one big trade. Let's see where I will put it like this, I think. Yeah, the volume starts to go down here, or so you can play it like this with two trades. Or you can play a big one. Up to you. 2.45 or 4.36. This is how I would play it, yeah? Now it depends on everybody's risk appetite and how are you willing to take the risk. It's very important. It's very, very, very important. And think about one uh, think about consistency, guys, whenever you are trading. Uh, Not only consistency in trading, which is absolutely important, okay? But consistency in risk management too. It's crucial because if you are not using a consistent risk management, if you are risking 2% now, 1% tomorrow, 0.5% in 2 days from now, even the wins, for example, if you have a 60% win rate, but you are using a low, not consistent risk management, and you are risking 0.5 on the winning ones, I don't know, just by tossing a coin maybe, and you are risking 2% on the losing ones, you will lose money. So consistency is the key in trading. It's not hard, it's not easy, sorry, but I don't think it's meant to be easy. If it would have been easy, I think everybody could have. Everybody could have done this, so I don't know. Let's see what US oil is doing. Yeah, it's trying to reclaim euro. Yeah, we can see it's still rejecting, so we don't have a confirmation from euro. Not yet. Yeah, 15 minutes looks like we have here. So if you want to play euro, I would play this. And then Monday high. 6.44. So I'll wait for another retest of Monday low. This is what I'll do. Exactly as I did this squiggly line. I think it will do exactly this. Most of the times when you have a breakout, so when you are playing this setup, when when the market structure is trying to create a breakout from the Monday low, if it sweeps it like SFU, or if we have a deviation, usually the retest will be at Monday low. Something like this, yeah. This one can put a really nice M here on 4 hours. I don't know. I really like it. I like the trade. Wants to join. Can put it there. If you have requests, guys, don't be shy. Yeah, yeah. Ask the questions. I'm more than happy to answer them. And by the way, we have the website up, guys. So you can check that out. Yeah, there we go. It's in the description, but you can also check out the website. So we have two setups. We have US oil. Euro looks like wants to give us an entry. I took this DBX, you name it. Don't blame me, guys. Don't flame me. English is not my native language. Okay. And by the way, this month, October, we have a 50% discount on the VIP, guys. So, and more than that, we'll start and include more of the traditional market. Like we'll focus on ES, yeah, oil, gold, and euro. So these pairs we'll focus on. And Tuesday, you'll see me trading the Monday range. Always, I'm doing this. It's actually very profitable. There's plenty. There are plenty of people that are using this. I know, not only from our community, but also from our community. I saw really nice journals with people trading this setup and being really profitable just by using this setup. So yeah, if you want to trade with us and scalp on a daily basis, you can join the VIP, which this month is at a discount of 50%. If you want to join, yeah, just DM me, join the Discord. You have the link. Yeah, you have the link of the website, and then you can join the Discord. We opened the enrollments. More job for PJ, but yeah, looks like we have some setups here. In the same time on AVAX, if I'm thinking the losing of this level, it's not a good point. So on a daily basis, what do we want to see? It's quickly SFU Monday low. So this is Monday low, okay? Uh, really good would be for the price action to SFU Monday low, tag 61.8 into the fair value gap, and then pump. You don't want to see. So we reclaimed. You can see Monday exactly how it closed. It closed exactly as a reclaim of this 2021, July 2021 low reclaim on AVAX. So you want to see a sweep of all the lows and then a pump. If it closes below this reclaimed area, it will not be a good sign. Euro GBP for short, it just sweep Friday. Friday? You mean we have a weekly sweep on that one, Euro GBP. Let's check. We don't have a weekly one. So previous Friday you said, so yeah, Friday maybe. So we have a Monday sweep. Let's put the man, I always forget the name of this. A really ugly name. You can put something like better readable, man. So we have a sweep here. That's a clean sweep. Structure is bullish. Monday high, Monday low. I don't have data for Euro GBP Rocco. I don't have data. Why I'm trading US oil and the ones that you see here is because I have data. Yeah. 1 hour. Yeah. Yeah. But you see, the range is too narrow, and I think the risk to reward is not the best risk to reward ratio. But if you want to take it for risk to reward, yeah, you can take it. Yeah, it's not looking bad. And you count on you will play. Well, yeah, for risk to reward is not bad. But I repeat, I don't have enough data on this one. All the backtest and I did on 6 pairs, and the best ones, the the Discord members, they know I posted about that and I discussed about that. So we have US oil, Euro and S&P, and also USD CHF. It's pretty good. Yeah, we have a better flag here, definitely on. Paul is mentioning. Paul is mentioning an LJ short with the take profit. I would take profit on the Monday low, or I will try to move my stop loss at break even on the Monday low. We need an M here, but yeah, he has a point. Mm. Maybe one more pump and then dump. But we went below POC, so this is actually a good thing. I would play something like this, but only if I get a confirmation. Yeah, 5.23, not bad. You see one SFU deviation here. Otto, you took oil? You can see, guys, so I'm always speaking about these previous levels. You can see this low, and you can see how these two candles retested exactly that low, yeah? And oil is absolutely insane. Really nice. So you took at the previous week low. Really nice, Otto. Really nice. Oil is absolutely insane. It can easily take your stop loss. Definitely. Yeah, exactly, Otto. That's what I mentioned in the mid, that price always likes to retest the previous SFU. So either the previous Monday low, previous Monday, previous week low, or stuff like that. It will be a retest, okay? So you don't want to hurry up into the trade. If you are trading prop firms which are not futures, yeah, you will have an ugly slippage and you will get a uglier field. But if you are trading futures like Otto is, don't have an issue with that. Yeah. I don't. I would not be amazed, Otto, if I would not be amazed if we see a candle like this from from oil. Oil is crazy usually. Yeah, it's a 6 to reward on how I framed it. So yeah. 30 seconds until a 1 hour candle. Okay, we will see some volatility. Usually when the big time frame candles are closing, we see lots of volatility here. I don't want to see this SFU close. Come on, go lower, please. I want to see a displacement. Come on, push. Yeah, it closed below slightly, not the best candle body close. So we have a bearish market structure shift here. Mhm. Let's see a standard deviation. 2.5, it's exactly at Monday low. If we take the high and not the previous high. Damn, that would be insane risk to reward. Like, real nice. Not bad. I guess we have to FAFO. The setup is there. So yeah, guys, man, that's a lot of setups. Use risk management, guys. I just framed especially the questions that you guys had and how I see the market on your requests. But always use proper risk management if you take any ideas. Any ideas. There is no such thing like a 100% win rate or crap like that. Always use proper risk management. Always. Yeah. I mean, if you want to lose your account, definitely just ignore risk management part. And that's a sure way to breaking your account. Did it give an entry? Yeah, it gave an entry here. So you should be short Rocco. It gave you an entry here at the previous Monday high retest. Exactly the retest here. Clear deviation for risk to reward, not bad. Not bad at all. Don't be shy, guys. Ask if you have questions related to anything regarding trading. Seems like Euro didn't retested our Monday low entry. This is what we are doing daily basis, guys. So it's absolutely insane how much quickly you can evolve and how rapidly you can make the evolution of this process because it's a process. And we have people since 11 months on VIP and they are traders and they became better and better and better. But it's what is really important, it's exactly this thing. So wake up each morning at the same hour, join and trade with us on the Discord VIP part. trade with us daily, take setups, use risk management, use a proper journal where you put each setup. If you don't have one, you can ask me or PJ. We will gladly give you an Excel file which you can use as a journal. But this is what you need to do. Constantly execute your edge over the market and show yourself daily, and do the same thing over and over again. And this month we have as I said, we have a 50% discount for who wants to join, only for October. I think it will be quite a good month, so it's worth. Yeah, the journal from Miku is really nice. So everything gets automated over there. You just have to put your data and that's it. It calculates everything automatically. So Icon, we have a 50% discount. Yeah, it's 100 USDT right now, down from from 200. And we are doing this. So 1 month there are 22 sessions of live trading each day at London session, and then you have access to New York session too. So 2 sessions each day, London session 2 hours, then New York session another 2 hours. It's impossible for us not to find trades. If the market is ugly, yeah, we'll try to protect the capital, definitely. But you will see us trading on a daily basis and lots of trading ideas, answering to whatever questions everybody would have. So we have a bearish market structure shift on Ethereum. Ethereum, if it's going to retest this M here, it should go to the lows. So another short setup here. Maybe previous week low sweep, 2.5 risk to reward, not great, not terrible. US oil is looking good. So we reclaimed Monday low. You can see buying pressure on Monday low. Price is trying to reclaim daily open. If it's reclaiming daily open, then the next point is Monday mid and monthly open. So yeah, until here we'll have 3 risk to reward. The stop loss would be moved at break even. The stop loss would be moved at break even once we touch Monday mid. That one, it's okay. I like this round bottoming. You can see each round bottoming after an LJ brought us quite a nice pump. You can see, but I don't think we have an LJ. Mm -hmm. Yeah, we have an LJ. So would be a good area to long here if you want a high time frame swing, maybe. Yeah, it's not looking bad. Or what will happen here, because we didn't sweat this low, there's a probability for a range. Yeah, Econ, join Discord and DM me. There we go. You can join Discord here. So it's a one-time use. Let me know if you don't manage to join. Join Discord. Okay, there we go. I see you. You just joined. Okay. Yeah, we don't have an entry on euro yet, and you know, guys, that how I like to trade this setup, and usually how I like to trade Monday range. Um, I don't like going into the next day. So if I'm trading Tuesday, yeah, Monday, Tuesday. If I'm trading Tuesday, the Monday range, I don't like to go into the New York session with the setup. So this is scalping, okay? You don't want to go into the next session with trades open. Maybe you have them at break even. And not in a way you want to trade the Monday setup on a Wednesday, so tomorrow, okay? This is really important because I saw people, because the win rate is going way lower, it's lowered, okay? I saw people asking, well, it's not that good, but you have to focus on London session, yeah, on a Tuesday. You don't want to play this on a Wednesday or Thursday, where usually we have a key reversal on Thursday at New York, at around New York area. Yeah, US oil is trying to break the daily open. You can see it's still there, struggling. It's the last area before the last area of resistance. Yeah, we have some bearish divergence confirmed here. Let me know, guys, if you have any more questions. If you want to look on some altcoins, yeah. Um, Yeah, setups are already in the market. If you want to try this one, okay, I think it's okay-ish. Maybe to wait for a 1 to 3 minutes M and then take the trade. So, for example, I want to see a rejection. Yeah, just go on low time frame, wait for 61.8, go on 3 minutes and wait for a nice M, some sort of rejection. The risk to reward ratio is high enough until the Monday low. It's high enough to give you some good profits, okay? So you would like to use a confirmation on this setup. Yeah, Frax. This one has a nice bullish market structure shift over here, so we can play a bullish setup here. Yeah, we can play a bullish setup. I really like Frax here. And you can see it's in a very good area for a long. Here the previous lows really held nicely for a support. So definitely, I like this one. On VIP, we already took some profits from this one. We longed exactly the bottom. We had more than 4 risk to reward, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And it seems like it gives another setup. Yeah. It gives us another entry. So this is Frax. If you want, let's see a quick feed. So we are at 61.8. We are at the golden pocket. Let's see 4 hour. 4 hour looks like it wants to do another leg to the downside. We have equal lows. So what I would do is I would enter here. Equal low, not equal high. Stupid. Stupid me. That would be a 78.6. No, that would be a sweet spot if I'm not mistaken. 70.5. Yeah, that's exactly the sweet spot. So if you want to hop up in the swings with us, yeah, you can play something like this definitely. Let's see what PJ is sending here. Yeah, this is the long that we had from the VIP. So this is the long from VIP. We already took profits at this SFU level at $6. And Sui, yeah. Sui has a lot of coins to go out in the market, sadly. Man, if I'm, yeah, exactly. And Paul, if we are looking like in a perspective, this looks like a power of 3, man. This looks like a power of 3 to the downside. So we have this really beautiful range W's, but they dumped the market here really hardly. And you can see we are below this previous neckline. which should be support. So it's at the SNR level. Yeah. And with the coins dumping, really careful on this one. Frax is looking definitely really good. And US oil, it's pumping, guys. It's pumping. Bitcoin, it's at entry. But I'm not taking it yet. I said I'm waiting for a bearish structure. Okay. You want to wait a little bit for a 1 to 3 minutes M. Bearish market structure shifts. Something. Because we can see another SFU to the upside, in my opinion. And we can tag this 200 EMA. This could have been a trend line liquidity grab. Usually it happens. You can have a trend line, respect the trend line, then breaking down the trend line, faking out the trend line, actually not breaking down the trend line, in order to grab more liquidity and then reclaim. But we need to see a reclaim. We can see that 2 candles here, it rejected. So we can look for a short. We need to wait a little bit more. We are at the previous month high on Bitcoin. And Monday mid-range. Here, previous month high. So we can pump from that area. Xava or Kava? Ah, this is on KuCoin. Oh, okay. Oh, I like it. That location is absolutely insane. I think I will nibble this on KuCoin. I have a trash trash coins, not trash coins, but I have a dump uh, dump coins on my KuCoin. I'm gathering a lot of coins and I'm doing shots, sell half on a double on each one of them. Maybe I'm obsessed with SFUing the lows, but it looks good even like this, so it's worth taking a shot here. and buying some spot. Sell half on a double, it's more than easy. So it's a really easy target here to get a sell half on a double on this one. So I think I'll nibble some 0.5% from my investment account. I'll take and sell half on a double up here. Good point. Thank you. Thanks, Paul. Even though I think that the price will SFU these lows, it's a very good area to nibble. W confirmed. With this candle, you can see candle body above the neckline. This is what you want to see. These two, no, these are just SFUs, and you can't count on them as a buying volume. But this one confirmed that the buyers are there. So yeah, I think I'll buy right now. Thanks a lot, Paul, for mentioning this one. US oil is really fighting with this daily open here. Let me know if you have any more ideas, guys, like questions uh, or any charts that you want to look at. If not, we have enough trades. Please be careful with the risk management. So always calculate your total risk per portfolio. We are doing that on VIP for everyone. So we are always calculating how much risk we have open in order not to surpass a 3% or a 2.5, 3%. That's a red flag, or 4% actually. It's not that a great risk in the market. You don't want to have 4% open, because if market is going in a direction, especially if you are only long or only short, okay? So what we are trying to do always is trying to get our stop loss at break even in order to free more risk. So that said, you want more? Yeah, I really like that one which you sent me, Paul. I'll nibble right after. I'll nibble on this one right after the meeting will end. Let's see, Aka. Weekly level. Let's see. I think Aka is not the best one on Binance. Let's see, KuCoin maybe. Oh my God, is the same one? Damn, this is looking better. And damn, you can see we are at the price where it was listed. Actually, we are below. Damn. Yeah, it's looking very good. I'll nibble some into this one. I think I'm already in this one. Even though I see an SFU of this lows and then pump. I'm obsessed with this SFU, I think. But it's looking good. Let's see, Rocco. Your idea is not bad. on this one on euro. So yeah, guys, what I was mentioning, if you want to trade with us, we have our website in the description. You can join our Discord through that website. We have three areas. So we have an area where we give free content for investing. We have a plan for investing. The little old lady, sell half on a double plan. Everything is there absolutely for free, the Excel and everything. So if you want to invest for the next bull market, you have everything that you want on that area for free. You can join our premium area where you can trade with us at New York session only, yeah. Or you can join VIP where we have London, we have New York, and we have our personal trade ideas posted each day over there, and also support. You can ask any question. We are helping you to build that trader's profile in order to be profitable on a long run. We'll speak about everything like risk management, journaling, trade ideas, setups, everything. Okay. I think that being said, I think we'll stop the meet here. We have more than enough setups. Just watch your total risk per portfolio, and the total risk that you allocated for each setup is very important. As I said earlier, 2-3%, 2 it's okay, 3 it's actually going a little bit too much, and 4 it's too much in my point of view. It's up to everybody how it's utilizing the risk. Yeah, that being said, thank you very much for joining up, guys. Discord, see you at the New York session. If you want to join us, yeah, you have the website over there. Thanks a lot, guys. See you. Bye bye. See you next Tuesday. Bye bye.